was hoping, that I could show this snow, this snowstorm that's coming down. But it looks like it's lightened up a little bit. I don't know if you can hear this heat is on. Turn this down. So this is what we're getting ready to deal with. But I'm getting ready to go in here and cook and get all of my vegetables ready for some nice soups. I'm going to make a nice chicken soup. I think I might make it creamy. And I'm going to make a nice beef soup. And I believe they're going to be good. I got some celeriac. I got, celery root. And then I got, anise or fennel. The fennel is going to be for the chicken. And then I got the, the celeriac for the beef. I got something else, some other different, so they have some different flavors in there. I got carrots, of course, potatoes. They're all going to have basically the same base, but the taste is going to be different because one is going to have like celeriac in it, and then the other one will have the fennel in it. A chicken for the fennel, the celeriac, the celery root for the beef. So yes, so I'm just getting ready to park somewhere. Yep, so I just wanted to show you guys this little snow. But you see it, how it's been kind of taken over. So I don't know how it's gonna be tomorrow, like if we're gonna have a storm. I don't normally follow weather, so I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to come in and show you guys this little snow. This is part 2 of the little snow that we're getting. Let me get on the street for a minute so I can show. Oh, okay. I'm looking at it now. The what do you call it? What do you call this? Some of it coming down. I wanted you to see the fall. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, so I'm back. So yeah, so this is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, here as always to encourage us all to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone, because all of the ground is sinking sand or snow. No, it's all sinking sand. But yeah, you see those little flecks, that's the snow coming down. But it's lighter than it was. I don't know what it's going to turn into or what's really going to happen. But let me show you. This is the snow. This is what it do. And like I showed you earlier, it makes a see that? How it forms really well. Makes great snowmen and whatnot. All right, so let me get out of here, and because I gotta go put the car away. But I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoy this video. Love you. Bye bye for now. I might try to get something tomorrow, but it depends. All right, good day. Love you.